a little messed up. I think the county's got some drain work to do. Kids, hi. My gas meter. Oh, there's my gas meter. It's there. I don't know. You can see my gas meter. My wife wanted the stump back in her garden, so there it is. I'm just gonna check the field. Our field is a lake now. There you go. That's probably four feet deep in there. So it's actually a tidal pool in there. We're at high tide right now, coming in lakeside. So anyway, looking good. Waiting for the next car to send it too hard through that and just kibosh the whole operation there. End up in the ditch. And I'll let you know what happens. Had to take my boots off because the water was just too high for them. So boots are dry, feet are not. It's all good. I better check the basement, see what's going on down there. Okay, Reagan. You ever gone canoeing on your front yard before?
No.
You should go out in that field, what do you think?
Yeah.
Where'd the road go? Is it underwater too?
No, it's not. It's right there.
No, the road. Is that part of the road underwater?
Yeah. Where's Reagan going?
I don't know.
Reagan, we're coming for you! There's Reagan over there. Hey, Reagan, say hello to the video camera!
Hey, Reagan, no, here, buddy.
Don't go.
Hi, Reagan. Hi, Reagan. Where we go? Oh, here, you want to film my paddle? Okay.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Reagan. What happened? What? Is this a lot of water, Reagan? Yeah? Where do you want to go? Do you want to go in the field? You can go through here. You want to see how deep it is in the field? Alright. Think we can make it through here? Look, point the camera in front so people can see where we're going. Obviously you.
Away from the air.
Uh-oh. Raining now. Yeah, bud.
Iron. Look here. See, there's the spectacle down there. See?
Okay, Reagan. You getting wet? You want to go in the house?
No.
This is the camera.